Hi students, good morning to everybody. Welcome to our botany class. Today we were going to discuss about mineral nutrition. Generally, the basic needs of all living organisms are basically equally same. All living organisms requires macro elements, micro elements, and organic substances, and some are inorganic substances. What are the organic substances are required for living things? Carbohydrates, fruits, proteins, and fats. And those are those are carbohydrates, proteins, fats. These are organic substances. What are the inorganic substances? Various nutrients elements are inorganic substances. Okay, in this chapter we were focuses mainly on inorganic nutrients. Right here, these inorganic nutrients are various. These are different kinds of inorganic nutrients is there. Out of them, some of the elements are non-mineral elements. Some of the elements are mineral elements. You know very well about this. Some are based on their requirements, based on their quantitative requirements. Elements are divided into two categories. What are the macro elements and micro elements? What about macro elements? Macro elements are needed in larger amount to the plants in excess of 10 millimoles per 1 kilogram of dry matter. These micro elements are needed in smaller amount to the plants less than 10 millimoles per 1 kg of dry matter. Here you have to remember one more thing. What is that? Dry matter. Here this is the most important thing. What is the value of 10 millimoles? 1 millimole equal 1 millimole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 by 1000. This is the value of millimole. So students, you have to remember this value. What is the value? 1 millimole equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 by 1000. That is the value, right? Then come on to the non-mineral elements and mineral elements. What is the major difference between non-mineral elements and mineral elements? Let's discuss here. Non-mineral element. These are the nutrients which are absorbed by plants in the form of ions. Which form? Ionic form. Right. Here macro mineral element. Mineral elements are the nutrients which are absorbed as compounds by plants by their surrounding environmental condition. Right. These, how many number of non-mineral elements? How much number of mineral elements is there? Here the number of non-mineral elements are 3. What are they? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. These are non-mineral elements. What about mineral elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. These are mineral elements, right? Then come on to the macro elements and micro elements. Coming to the micro and macro elements. How many number of macro elements is there? 9. How many number of micro elements? 18 number. What are they? Let's discuss. The macro elements are calcium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. Magnesium and calcium. So these elements are macro elements. So then coming to the micro elements, what are the elements are considered as a micro elements? Iron, manganese, copper, molybdenum, zinc, boron, chlorine, and nickel. What is the last and final one? Nickel. So these elements are micro elements. So how many number of micro elements? 9. How many number of macro elements? 9. How many number of micro elements? 18 number. Then come on to the next one. Essential mineral elements. How many essential mineral elements are required for plant growth and development? How many elements? 14 elements. Except carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, remaining all elements are considered as a essential mineral elements. Except carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, right? Except carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, remain all these elements are essential elements, right? Then come on to the next final one, most important. What is the essential elements? How many essential elements are required for plant growth and development? So, what is the number? 17. 17 number of elements are required for plant growth and development. Out of them, the macro elements are, out of 17, macro elements are 9 in number, micro elements are 8 in number. So, 8 plus 9 equal to 17, right? Here, next, out of 17, which element is regarded as 17th essential element? Okay, this is the most important question asking repeatedly in our board of intermediate examination. What is the question? Which element is considered as a 17th essential element? Name the deficiency symptoms caused by that element. What is the element? Count down: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is that element? 17th element, nickel. Okay, nickel is considered as a 17th essential element. What name the disease caused by that element? What is the disease? Mouse ear disease. What is the disease? Mouse ear disease. Mouse ear disease. In which plant? What's the plant name? Pecan plant. Pecan plant. What's the plant name? Pecan plant. Mouse ear disease is caused by due to the deficiency of nickel in pecan plant. That is the conclusion. Right. Then come on to the next one. Non-essential element. How many non-essential elements are present in our plant body? Nearly 13 to 23 elements. How many elements? 13 to 23 elements are present in plant body. The total number of elements present in our plant body. So how many number? 30 to 40. Nearly 30, minimum 30, maximum 40 elements are present in a plant. Students, here no need to worry about this calculation. So you should maintain clarity. Don't get confused. Here, out of, if a plant has 30 elements, if a plant, one more question here, if a plant has 30 elements, then out of them, how many are essential, how many are non-essential? Here, you know very well, how many are essential elements? 17 elements are essential. Here remaining, what is that? 30 minus 17, how much? What is that? 13. So 13 elements are non-essential elements, right? We come on to the next one. The types of elements found in plants of plant kingdom. Here asking plant kingdom. Throughout our plant kingdom, how many types of elements are found in our plant kingdom? Total plants as cryptogamy, phanerogamy, angiosperm, gymnosperm, all the plants are consisting 60 to 70 elements, right? Here. So this is the clear-cut data about numerical data about mineral nutrients. This is the most important for competitive examination, right? Next, one more question, another question. What is the out of 17 elements, which elements are non-essential, non-mineral elements? You know very well. What are they? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What is that? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Out of 17 non-mineral, asking here non-mineral elements. What are they? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What is the reason? These are their major source are carbon dioxide and water are the major source of that mineral nutrients. Let's this is the data about mineral nutrients essential for the NEET and other competitive examination. Students, we can see in the deficiency symptoms of mineral and micro and macro nutrients in our next class. Until then, bye. Right.